With over 20 years of impressive growth, was once one of the most popular and successful internet companies in the world. But good fortune could not overcome the following poor business decisions. Yahoo, on the other hand, has struggled to stay relevant in recent years and has ultimately failed. What caused Yahoo's demise? Yahoo's crash is the result of a series of bad decisions and missed opportunities. Let us take a closer look at the various factors that contributed to Yahoo's downfall. Lack of innovation. One of the main reasons Yahoo failed was its slow pace of innovation. In contrast to companies like Google and Facebook, which were developing unique and cutting edge products, Yahoo was slow to adapt and failed to keep up with the changing face of the internet. Failure to monetize mobile. The failure of Yahoo to capitalize on the rise of mobile was also be seen as contributing factor. Yahoo fell behind its competitors in making its products and services mobile friendly, which damaged them as the use of mobile devices increased. Poor management. Because the management teams and CEOs of Yahoo have changed so frequently, there is a lack of consistency and focus. Due to this, Yahoo has found it difficult to implement a clear plan and make the necessary modifications to the evolving internet ecology. Yahoo as a whole also lacked a clear vision for the firm's broader goals because it was a media corporation that saw programming as a required good rather than a search or technology company. The main causes of Yahoo's eventual demise were a lack of foresight and the absence of intelligent, capable people with a strategic vision for the future. Data breaches. As a result of numerous high-profile data breaches, millions of Yahoo users' personal information was made public. These incidents severely harmed Yahoo's reputation and caused many customers to lose faith in the company, which had a negative effect on Yahoo's financial performance. Failure to acquire. By spending a lot of money on investments in companies including Broadcast.com, Geocities, Flickr, Right Media, Overture Services, Inc., and Tumblr, Yahoo lost money. Yahoo had the chance to buy companies like Facebook, Google, and Microsoft, but decided against it. Despite Yahoo's failed opportunity to buy them, these businesses developed into some of the most prosperous and valuable businesses in the entire globe. A missed opportunity with Google and search. Search and advertising were the foundation of Yahoo's core business, but Google eventually supplanted both as the leading search engine and advertising network. In 2002, Yahoo executives turned down the opportunity to buy Google for $1 billion. In 1998, Larry Page and Sergey Brin tried to sell Google to Yahoo for $1 million, but Yahoo turned them down. The value of Google rose in 2002, and Terry Sampson, CEO of Yahoo, realized the full potential of the Google business. The Google founders were thus presented with $3 billion offer from Yahoo, that they rejected it and insisted that the deal be finalized for $5 billion. Yahoo turned down the offer once more. Mismanagement of Flickr. Yahoo's founders intended to enter the social networking market before buying Flickr in 2005. But they abandoned those intentions due to a lack of foresight and a failure to pay attention to the community they had built. The focus was not on growing the community or offering new services, which hindered base expansion and client retention. Unsuccessful attempt to pursue Facebook. Yahoo made an acquisition attempt of Facebook in 2006, but CEO Mark Zuckerberg turned down the original offer. Yahoo missed a second chance around the same time when it tried to pay $1.1 billion for Facebook. Google had already made significant progress in the online search market when social networking initially gained popularity. Failure to merge with Microsoft. Yahoo signed a partnership with Microsoft in 2008 to utilize the Bing search engine after failing to develop a successful search engine of their own. Given that Yahoo had a reputation for not paying much attention to the quality of its programming staff, a group of programmers with lower skill levels are likely to blame for this. In 2008, Microsoft made a $44.6 billion offer to Yahoo, which Jerry Yang declined. But Yahoo felt that after accounting for its $4.48 billion acquisition deal with Verizon in 2017, it was being undervalued. Failure with Tumblr. Tumblr was purchased by Yahoo for $1.1 billion in 2013. However, the deal failed to turn a profit. The success of the social networking and microblogging website fell short of Marissa Mayer's expectations. Tumblr ended up being one of the Yahoo's final chances to restore its corporate reputation after hundreds of millions of dollars have been invested in the project. Wrong focus. Instead of concentrating on delivering a great user experience, Yahoo had changed its focus to becoming more business-oriented. The user interface appeared to change frequently and there was a lot of advertising. Users found it challenging to adjust to the continual change in user interfaces. Future business leaders throughout the world should learn from Yahoo's final premise that strong CEOs are required to lead the company in the proper way. Without them, companies would undoubtedly experience repeated failures. In conclusion, a number of factors contributed to Yahoo's demise, including a lack of innovation, poor management, a failure to successfully market mobile, and data breaches. The company's demise was aided in the end by its inability to adapt to the changing internet landscape and make the necessary changes to stay competitive. Bad timing could not compensate for bad decisions. Yahoo was once the undisputed internet king, but they had lost everything as a result of a series of bad decisions. Indecision, mediocre products, fierce competition, and poor leadership. Consider the following question. What will be the next great internet empire? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section, and we'll see you on our next video. Thank you for watching.